You guys, I'm at one of the best places in Springfield with one of the best people in Springfield. I'm talking about the Discovery Center with Executive Director Tyler Moles. Tyler, so good to see you.
She's the best. She's the best. Getting a chance to hang out with Maddie is always a pleasure.
Hey, getting a chance to hang out with you at the Discovery Center on the job is always a pleasure. So Tyler, let's talk about this awesome partnership you have with Brightspeed and kind of everything that Brightspeed has helped the Discovery Center open, continue operating, all that good stuff.
Brightspeed's been interesting to partner with because a lot of donors don't care what you actually need. And Brightspeed has come in and their people are like, well, how can we actually help you? One of the things is they helped us get all new Wi-Fi appliances so we can have free Wi-Fi in the building.
Oh, very important.
That's a huge one.
Yeah.
They sponsored the reading nook that we have over in the Smithsonian exhibit that's getting ready to go out, and they sponsored a big part of what's getting ready to go in that we'll talk about. Just different things. They spent their day bright in her truck, came over here and handed out flowers to moms last year. There's all these different things that they do to make this place better, and they're great to partner with.
And I've heard that they're very big on, keeping it local, supporting local businesses, putting back into the community, which obviously, as you just stated, they have. They've given you guys free Wi-Fi in the Discovery Center, but they've also kind of helped you maybe open exhibits, am I correct in saying that? Or expand exhibits that are currently here?
They helped us expand what we're getting from Smithsonian, number one. That was really cool. They helped us launch our Big Rig event last year, the first time ever, which was a hit. And they are a major sponsor of the new thing that's coming in September, Invasion of the Giant Robot Insects.
Ah! You guys, right here. Giant robot insect right there.
As our Smithsonian New Moon Rises exhibit goes out in August, the insects are coming in September. And we've got them all staged, 5 truckloads worth of giant animatronic insects at our insect warehouse. And we're fabricating a city, the city of Springfield, that's going to be destroyed by giant insects in very much 1950s B-movie fashion.
Love it.
And Brightspeed is coming in with a major component of that, which is going to be the Brightspeed Ice Park with glowing fiber getting pulled out by a giant robot insect. So we can tie this B-movie stuff in with the actual educational content about insects that the kids are going to learn from, which is awesome.
I was going to say.
Make it quirky and fun enough to where the grown-ups, everyone thinks it's a wonderful place to visit. I want the education that only we do and the artistry of Meow Wolf.
Yes.
That would be the ideal.
That is the ideal. Okay, so let's dive in a little bit more to the exhibit. Like you were saying, it's going to be fun for the adults all the way down to the kids.
Yes, ma'am.
And insects, I mean, a very important part of our ecosystem. For me, they're a little gross, but not for everyone. So what are we going to learn about in this exhibit?
Not everyone likes insects.
Yeah.
But they play a key role. Example is bees and pollinators. Like a lot of our crops rely on our pollinators. That's something kids need to know about, especially as bees are threatened. That there's so many things, the way that ants work in a hive and how they construct things. There's just so much knowledge about the natural world that will help kids in their lives as they grow. Yeah.
And you had mentioned, one exhibit is going out while the, insect robots are coming in. Kind of expand upon that, like how long are exhibits typically here at the Discovery Center? Because once it's here, you don't want to miss it. And then once it's gone, it's gone.
Right. So a lot of things that we have here are semi-permanent installations.
Okay.
The Smithsonian piece was a 2-year agreement with the Smithsonian to show their lunar orbiter photographs.
Yeah.
Which is super awesome, and people have enjoyed that. We've had so far just shy of 200,000 people have come and seen that. So it's pretty cool.
Just shy.
But I think this is going to be even bigger.
Yeah.
And giant insects will be even bigger.
Get it?
I guess it was a pun or a dad joke, I'm not sure.
It's all in one. I like it. So that's coming in September. Do we have an exact date for that, or should we just say mark your calendars for September for the invasion of the giant robot insects?
But the way I look at launch dates, I always just say the month, because I don't like to give a ribbon cutting grand open date until every piece that's outside of our control is solved. Because doing these things are complex logistical challenges.
Yeah.
Like with this, we've shuttled the insects from various parts of the country to SMC Packaging's warehouse, who helped us. They were awesome. To our own warehouse, and then get them all over here, get them hooked up. There are lots of logistical components. When we moved the dinosaurs in, we tore out an exterior wall to give you an idea of what we're willing to do.
Yeah.
When we moved the fire truck in this fall, we removed an interior wall.
So you guys are always doing something fun here at the Discovery Center, is what you're basically saying. Yeah. No matter how big or small, you're gonna get it in here for our community to see. And a huge thanks to Brightspeed for allowing you guys to do that. What is the best way for people to come and check out the Discovery Center?
I mean, I think you can come here any day besides Monday. between 10 and 6. That's our summer hours. You can go to www.discoverycenter.org for more information about this and all the other things we have coming up. The new Mercy Pediatric Teddy Bear Clinic. We've got the Grady Playhouse. We're getting ready to have Pete the Cat's Perfect Pizza Party. Of course, you're going to read about Brightspeed and the Brightspeed Ice Park getting destroyed by a giant cicada.
Yeah.
It's going to be fantastic.
It's going to be great, you guys. So mark your calendars for September. But before September, come on into the Discovery Center, and another big thank you to Brightspeed.